we're doing some steaks. We bought a rib roast with a bone-in rib roast, okay? Now, this thing was pretty good size. You see, we got 8 nice steaks out of it that we cut out. We took the bones out, cut them, cleaned them, got it ready to go. Now these jewels are going to go into some cast iron with some butter, onion powder, and garlic powder. We're gonna butter cook these. I'm gonna show you how to butter cook them and then sear them out later, because to be honest with you, they look boiled when you cook them in butter. But then you sear them out afterwards on a hot griddle or a hot pan to get that crisp. So we're going to bring you back in for that also. We'll see you back here in a little bit. Brought out 2 of my throwdown cast iron skillets, okay? And the reason I say throwdowns is if they get a little hot, it doesn't matter. They're already warped. Both of these are Wagner wares. They were warped when I got them. All I did was season them. You know, I did my electrolysis thing, seasoned them up, and got them ready to go. This one I'm keeping under a griddle because I want to use the griddle to be able to sear the steaks when I'm done. But with the butter and everything, it does not sear the steaks. You're not going to get a browning or anything on it. It's going to be, they're going to look like they're boiled. So we'll bring you in here in a little bit and get these all started up and get all the butter melted and kind of show you how we do it. Sorry about the yellow light, guys, gals, but like I said, I don't have a good light out here. So, take this first beautiful steak, set it there. I don't want to speed cook these. I want to let them do their own thing. But this isn't like you're cooking on a grill. Okay? You're going to want to flip these more than normal. Okay? Usually you take a steak, you put it in once, you flip it once, that's it. Okay? These, since they're in butter and basically being boiled, you want to flip them more often. This pan does have a hot spot on it right now. The hot spot on the griddle is here. The front side of the griddle is always cooler, but I can still actually touch the handle on it. And this one right here is already warm. So. Okay, so that way you know there's no cheating. Here's the steaks. Nice medium well. All right, sorry about that. Battery died. I'll look up after I show you this nice medium well steak, and it says battery exhausted. So, let's take a bite of this. And you see how much juice is just running out of it. We'll do another bite, no problem. Guys, nice, easy steak. Very flavorful. You can taste the onion powder, you can taste the garlic powder. If you wanted to come in afterwards and dust it with a little bit of salt and pepper, you could. I did put these steaks on with absolutely no seasoning. I let the butter and the garlic powder and onion powder do all the work. So, give it a try at home. It's pretty simple. You can even do it on the stove. Just you're going to need something to sear them off afterwards. So that way they actually get a little bit of browning on them. So, other than that, hope you like it. Be sure you come back and watch more videos. Tell your friends, tell your family, like, subscribe, share. Help us grow. We'll see y'all next time on Our Texas Homestead.